Hi friend, this is the rate I old Monk, and today we are with the OPPO A1k, and here you can see the box. In the box what it is given, it has a 8 and 5 megapixel camera, 8 in the rear, 5 in the front. The box pricing is 10,990, but the device is available for 8,490, which is 8,500 bucks. At the back it is written, it comes with the 6.1-inch HD plus display, water drop skin, 4000 milliampere battery. It is coming with the 32 GB ROM, which is 32 GB internal storage, and color OS 6.0 out of the box. Now talking about the boxing is pretty much similar what we have seen in the other OPPO devices. As you can see, there is a BCCI logo, so the OPPO is the official partner of Indian cricket team. And here you can see we are getting the back cover, silicone back cover, and also some paperwork. There is also a SIM card ejector tool. Here you can see the device. The device looks pretty good. It is a 8,490 device, so definitely not a premium segment device. It has a rear camera. We'll talk about this later. It comes with a charger. This is a fast charging support, and you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. It has a micro USB charging support. Now talking about the device, here you can see the face unlock. We are registering the face. It will take less than a minute to do the registration. Once the face is being registered, it will do easy the face unlock. In the low light scenarios, I have tried and tested. In that scenario, the device will be popped up into the white screen, and it will recognize your screen with the reflection of the light, and there is no fingerprint sensor in the device. So the drawback is it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, but in 8,490 you can't expect a lot. Here you can see it comes with the latest version of ColorOS, which is ColorOS 6.0. Now talking about the device, here we have the device, and it comes with a 6.1-inch HD plus display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And on the side here you can see there is a power button at the back. You are getting a 8 megapixel camera with a LED flash. It has a little bit bump on the camera, and in the bottom you are getting the noise cancellation mic. There is also speaker grills and the 3.5mm jack placed in the bottom. Also the volume rocker keys is on the other side. Now talking about the SIM slot, here we are getting the 3 dedicated slot where you are getting a 2 nano SIM card support and also a expandable memory card slot. In the front you are getting a water drop notch, and which comes with the 5 megapixel camera. So the 5 megapixel camera is also used for face unlocking, which is definitely very smooth and definitely useful at the same time, but it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor on the device, so it may be drawback for some people, but for me it works very much fine. Now talking about the device, what we are getting in the hardware specification, it comes with the octa-core processor, which is a MediaTek Helio P22. The display, I have already told you, 6.1-inch SD plus display. It has a RAM of 2 GB and also internal storage 32 GB. The camera is 8 plus 5. Now talking about the OS, it is 9.0 running on Android 5. It comes with a 4000 milliampere battery with a fast charging support. Now here you can see the ColorOS, which is the latest version of ColorOS 6.0, and it is already updated one. Now talking after the OS, there are some more features integrated in the device. It will be the software features only. So you are getting the app split, where you can split 2 apps and run at the same time. It has a game space. It also gives you an app management where you can actually manage your apps running at the background. Now there is the OPPO Cloud. This is basically for those who want to do the cloud storage. I'm not sure that how much storage they are offering, but I will let you know in the description section below. Now talking about the storage of the device is 32 GB internal storage, where you are getting 21.5 GB free storage. I have installed few apps, but still you will get a manageable installation. You also get a micro SD card support. Now talking about the battery, you can put the battery into the power saving mode, higher power saving for the efficiency mode, and also other than this there is a face unlocking. I have already told you there is a pattern one where you can put a pattern or a passcode which you can change it. But talking about that, other than that, there is no fingerprint sensor. There is a face unlock. The face unlock works in the low light situation very easily, and there is a mode where option you can put the face unlock directly opens to your face and check it out, and the screen brightness is also compensated with the dim lighting setting. Now talking about the device, there is also a smart service. The smart service is basically the driving mode. The smart driving modes includes the driving mode and the riding mode. So when you are driving a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, you can put this mode on, and there will be a less disturbance of call or notification. It will be only the important one. We haven't tried and tested that, but we'll let you know if you have any doubts or question on it around. Now talking about the other things, what we are getting here, you can see the app drawer is there. There are many apps pre-installed in the device, and definitely you can uninstall them. I have tried to uninstall few apps, but not tried all of them. Now talking about the camera, it has a 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. In the front you are getting a 5 megapixel camera. Now talking about the camera here, I will show you in going to the video mode. What is the video resolution you are getting? You are getting a 1080p and there is 720p, so you can record full HD video and HD video. Talking about the photo, you can go 1x or 2x. there is a portrait mode, and in also the photo mode you have the beauty, and the beautification mode can go from 0 to 100. There is a pano, expert and time lapse. These are the other modes what you are getting. There are some filters which you can play it around. There is a SDR mode. There is also a flash mode which you can put it to fill some lighting. Now going to the settings in the device, here you can see there is a photo ratio, timer, sound, grid, shutter sound, there is location, there is flip selfie, watermark. These are the features, the basic general features are given in the camera. Definitely not a hi-fi one. It doesn't have that bokeh effect mode. Still it has a portrait mode. I haven't tested that. Coming to the front camera, it can also shoot full HD video and also the HD video. So the front camera also works with that. Now going to the other features, it has a photo mode, portrait mode, and the portrait mode you have the beautification mode from beautify mode from 0 to 100. Now going to the other settings, it has a pano and time lapse for the front camera. This is what we are getting with the OPPO A1k. If you have any doubts or questions, do let us know. This is all about the device. This is at the rate I signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.